Python comes with a rich standard library that provides a wide array of modules and packages to support common programming tasks. This allows developers to perform many tasks without needing to install additional libraries. This helps reduce the amount of code you need to write. Let's explore a few modules from the Python standard library to illustrate its capabilities. First example module is random module. In this example, we explore using randint function from random module to generate random integer between 1 and 10. The next example is using a choice function from random module to randomly select an element from a list. Every time you run this code, you will be presented with different values. The second example module is math module. Math module provides access to mathematical functions like trigonometry, logarithms, and constants. In this example, we use a square root function from math module to get the square root of 16. Another example is retrieving the value of pi from math module. The third example module is datetime module. This module makes it easy to work with dates and times. In this code, we use now function from datetime module to get the current date and time. We can also use string formatted time function to format the output of date and time. There are plenty of modules from the standard library that you can use to perform various tasks such as file input-output, string manipulation, networking, data serialization, and many more. It is easy to use. You simply need to import them in your code, as shown from the previous examples. The standard library modules follow a consistent API design, making them easier to learn and use. With a rich standard library, you often don't need to rely on third-party libraries for common tasks, which simplifies dependency management. In conclusion, the large standard library is a significant advantage of using Python, allowing you to perform complex tasks with minimal code. It encourages more productive coding experience and is one of the reasons Python is widely adopted to various applications from web development to data analysis.